Everybody, this is Royce here with Gage 3 Designs, and I'm back with another episode. Today I have a really nice car. In celebration of the new Venom movie, I want to go ahead and add some Thea Render materials, but we're going to do black and white. So this came in as a black and white. We can do a pre-rendering to see what it looks like, but we're going to go ahead and add some Thea Render materials and see what we get. So let's go ahead and get started. Do a rendering, seeing how this looks without any Thea Render materials. I've already added materials to the floor and to the walls, but not to the car itself. Alright, so that's what we get if you just download straight from 3D Warehouse. So let's go ahead and add some. Let's make this white. Let's make it the metallic white, and the black will make it metallic black. And we may just go ahead and just do chrome on the wheels, or we may do white, we'll see. But let's just go ahead and get started. So we'll just go down to paint in online repository. So we can go ahead and make that all white. But inside here, we're going to do metallic black. Okay, same with the hood here. Let's go ahead and get this side mirror. Okay, let's go ahead and make this metallic black also. Hit this back bumper. Alright, now let's add an emitter into these headlights. We'll just like this, and we'll add an emitter. Boom. So this is the before. See how it looks with Thea Render materials. This is looking good. So we'll go up here, we'll hit this with metallic black, or maybe actually we'll do white here and here. The rims, we'll go ahead and add some chrome, or maybe we'll do black rims. That'll be cool. Nah, we have the black. Okay, we'll do like some chrome wheels, and then we'll be about done. And we'll add some thin glass here on the windows. Let's go ahead and do that. Thin glass. And because I want to add a texture here and here. Oh, all of that. And it's going to be white. Boom. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got going here. Nice. The white trim in here. The black metallic. We got our emitters going. Alright, like I said, this was just inspired by the new movie Venom. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I think this car is awesome. Thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and click the like button for me and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.